Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Monica, your beach-loving guide, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this incredible coastal exploration. Today, we're in for a real treat as we discover one of the most amazing beaches in the world. As I set foot on this breathtaking beach, I can't help but be in awe of its sheer beauty. The powdery white sand stretches as far as the eye can see, glistening under the warm sun. The water is a mesmerizing shade of turquoise, inviting me to take a refreshing dip and cool off from the summer heat. What makes this beach truly special is its pristine natural surroundings. Towering palm trees sway gently in the ocean breeze, casting dappled shade on the sand. The air is filled with the scent of saltwater and tropical blooms, creating a sensory paradise. As I walk along the shoreline, I'm captivated by the diverse marine life that calls this beach home. Colorful fish dart through the crystal clear water, while elegant sea turtles gracefully glide by. It's like swimming in a living aquarium. The beach offers a myriad of activities for every beachgoer. From thrilling water sports like surfing and jet skiing to leisurely sunbathing and beachcombing, there's something for everyone to enjoy. You can also take a long, peaceful walk along the shore and feel the soft sand between your toes, or simply sit back and watch the waves dance along the coastline. I can't help but feel a sense of serenity and joy as I take in the beauty of this beach. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, where time slows down and worries melt away. It's a true slice of paradise. If you're loving this virtual beach adventure, I would be incredibly grateful if you could show your support by subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button. By subscribing, you'll be joining our beach-loving community and won't miss out on future beach explorations. Remember to click the notification bell so you're always notified when I release new videos.